Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this video is a beginner's guide to help you learn the basics on using Facebook on your mobile device. So I'll be showing how to use a Facebook on your mobile device, install your Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device, log into your account, or create an account if you don't have yet. To get started, you need to log in using the email address or the phone number you used to create your account, and then enter your password and log into your account. Now, to see your own Facebook profile, you need to tap on the menu icon or the three lines in the top right corner of your screen and select your profile, and you'll be able to view it. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your information and post. If you want to add a new photo or upgrade your information, you can go ahead and select the option of update your profile and update your information on Facebook. Or if you want to post any status or photo or video, go ahead and tap on post a status update. Then select photos or videos. You can also tag people, add location, feeling activity, create event, go live and all. You can also go ahead and add friends. So if you want to search for any friend on Facebook, tap on the search icon in the top right corner of your screen. And here search for the people, pages, reels, groups, wherever you want to be the part of. And then go ahead and add people by going to the people section and then tap on add friend option and you'll be done. And you can view your request by going to this people icon over here. And here you can see your friend request, your friends, and you can tap on this messenger icon over here to chat with your friends or the connections. And you can go to this reels section to watch reels, videos, and whatever. And you can tap on this notification icon to go ahead and see the notification you have received on Facebook. You can also go ahead and shop in the marketplace, or you can post any items that you want to sell on Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.